In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install NeoForge mods here in Minecraft. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, firstly, if you do have Minecraft open up, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, this does include the launcher. And actually open up a web browser of your choice. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and head to curseforge.com. Select this Minecraft option right here, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you see this browse all option and select it. And then go down again, find the game version and put it on 1.21.8 and select this NeoForge section for this mod loaders. This is just so you can find a mod. If you have a mod in specific that you're trying to use, you can just simply search for that. But in this case, I'm just going to choose something like this minimap mod right here. Once you select the mod that you like, go ahead and navigate to the Files tab on this page. Once again, filter it by the correct mod loader. So in my case, I'm going to do NeoForge and then the game version to 1.21.8, and then click on these three dots here and hit download file. It's going to take you to a page where it takes about 5 seconds for it to download. And once it does download, it's going to automatically start up here. You're good to go. Now what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab here and search up NeoForge just like so, and then click on the first link that'll pop up, and it's going to take you to a page like this. Filter the Minecraft version to 1.21.8, and then hit click here to download installer, and the installer is going to automatically begin downloading. Wait for this to finish, and once it does finish for you, you are going to want to go ahead and select it. And once it does open, it's going to pull up a installer that looks like this. Simply hit install client and then hit proceed, and it'll begin downloading. And this shouldn't take that long. Just keep in mind it might take longer depending on your internet connection. Once it finishes, hit OK, and then go ahead and close out of these tabs and open up the Minecraft launcher. After doing so, it should automatically select NeoForge, but if it doesn't, go ahead and click on this arrow, find NeoForge within here and select it, and then click on this little installations tab up at the very top, and scroll down till you find that NeoForge installation, and click on this little folder icon to open up the installation folder. From here, scroll down until you see the mods option, select it and open it up, and from here, open up a new file explorer. Go to your downloads page and just drag in whatever mod you just downloaded into here. Close out of this, and then go back to the play option here and select play. Now, since it's your first time loading into this, go ahead and tick this box and hit play again, and you'll begin loading into the NeoForge version of Minecraft. You'll tell that you're loading into NeoForge because it's going to be down here with a little fox like kind of swimming around. And the first time that you do load into it, it might take a minute, but as you do get loaded in, you'll see the mods tab here. And on top of that, when you go into single player, you can get loaded into the game, and you should see whatever mod you download already affect. Like as you can see, my mini map's up in this top left corner of my world here, and it's pretty awesome. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.